Hello class, my name is Andrea Funderburg,
And I'm Elizabeth Victoria Garza.
and we will be presenting L-carnitine. Okay, so what is L-carnitine? L-carnitine is a naturally occurring amino acid that is derived from a supplement. It is an active form of carnitine that can be found in our body through foods and dietary supplements. Cells, since the mitochondria acts as an engine within our cells, L-carnitine helps transport fatty acids from the blood into the mitochondria, where they can be burned for energy. And when they're burned for energy, they're able to be usable, especially during exercising. We produce L-carnitine out of amino acids such as lysine and methionine. We also already produce in our body when we uptake small amounts of animal product and some plant products, such as avocado, and we obtain meats such as steaks, ribs, chicken, anything of that source. L-carnitine is also a drug, so it basically can come in pill, powder, or liquid form. Too much of L-carnitine can hurt the body, but it is a good enhancer for performance. Real quick is a quick video of explaining what L-carnitine is. Okay, so L-carnitine is a performance enhancer. Basically, it's a fat burner. So L-carnitine stimulates lipid metabolism, which is using fatty acids for fuel. L-carnitine helps improve endurance by inhibiting buildup of lactic acid, which is a primary cause of fatigue. It also reduces accumulation of metabolic waste during exercise. It increases maximum workload output during exercise and enhances recovery post-exercise. L-carnitine, especially when your muscles are sore, it does help with the recovery post-exercise by you're able to recover much more faster than if you weren't taking it. It does help preserve glycogen levels during workout. And also, if you have low oxygen levels, it does improve that, so that way you're able to go much harder when running or competing in an event. A lot of athletes take this as a performance enhancer, let's say to win a race or go strong during certain periods of time when they need to speed up. And also here's another quick video of how L-carnitine acts as a performance enhancer.
So some side effects of taking L-carnitine would be seizures. So in this case, it would be more likely to cause seizures in people who have already had seizures. The second one would be advised to not use while breastfeeding. Although there isn't really a lot of research on this, it's still advised to not do it. And then another one that I didn't include would be kidney failure, which also includes the muscle weakness, eye drooping, and too much stress on the body. Another one would be underactive thyroid. So taking L-carnitine might make symptoms of hypothyroidism worse, and like I said, seizures as well. So some uses that L-carnitine has are for serious kidney disease, L-carnitine deficiency, chest pain, heart failure, and high thyroid hormone failure. So in the case of serious kidney disease, research shows that by taking L-carnitine, whether it's through the mouth or through IV, can improve red blood cell counts during hemodialysis, and FDA has approved L-carnitine for the treatment and prevention of L-carnitine deficiency in people with serious kidney disease who are undergoing hemodialysis. And it's most effective on the serious kidney disease. As far as chest pain, taking L-carnitine, again through the mouth or by IV, seems to improve exercise tolerance in people with chest pain. Taking L-carnitine along with standard treatment also seems to reduce chest pain and improve exercise ability in people with cardiac syndrome. Heart failure, taking L-carnitine by mouth or IV again, improves symptoms and increases exercise ability in people with heart failure. Taking a specific product containing L-carnitine also appears to improve symptoms of heart failure. And with high thyroid hormone levels, taking L-carnitine improves symptoms such as rapid or pounding heartbeat, nervousness, and weakness in people with high thyroid hormone levels. Other uses include male infertility, inflammation of the heart or myocarditis, preventing side effects caused by valproic acid, acne, age-related fatigue, hair loss, and toxicity from tuberculosis drugs.
Okay, and on this slide, this shows all the different types of forms L-carnitine can come in, and also the amount of L-carnitine that can be taken. So for some people, they do take it every single day in a certain amount of tablets. So it does enhance performance, but with taking so much each day, it can put too much stress on the body that can lead to different diseases. And lastly, these are our sources. You can click on these websites to find any other information about L-carnitine.